Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Loom video directly into a Notion page. Click to place your cursor on an empty line in the editor where you want the video to appear. Paste the Loom share link. In this example, I'm using loom.com/share/9-3-B2 A7C8D1E4F56A2B3, and a paste as menu appears with two options, URL and plain text. Select URL from that menu to embed the video rather than insert it as plain text. A loading spinner appears for a few seconds, then a block labeled Embed Loom shows on the page with a gray placeholder where the video preview should load. The block attempts to load but shows an error saying loom.com refused to connect, which means the embed won't display in the editor but will still work on the published page. If you see the refuse to connect error like we just did, it usually means the video's privacy settings are blocking the embed. The owner needs to change the sharing permissions in Loom to allow embedding. You can also try clicking the three dots on the failed embed block and selecting Create Embed instead, which sometimes bypasses the issue. Once the video does load successfully, you'll see a playable preview right there on your Notion page, and anyone with access to the page can watch it without leaving Notion. And that's how to embed a Loom video in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.